Let's make Monte Cristo sandwich. First, lutuin muna ang ham, iset aside. Ready na ang 3 pieces of bread. Lagyan ng mayo, cheese, mozzarella cheese, ham, mozzarella cheese again, at ang bread na ipantakip, lagyan ng mayo again. At paulit-ulit lang, mozzarella cheese, ham, mozzarella cheese, at takpan ng bread, iplatin. Mag-ready na ng 3 egg at idip dito ang ating bread. Then, lutuin na sa ating frying pan. Antayin maging golden brown at ready na for platings. Ready na ang ating Monte Cristo sandwich. Tara, tikman na natin!